Good morning, children. Our topic is places of worship. People have different ways of praying to God. Everyone prays for the same, to thank God for helping us and to ask support during times of trouble. People go to special places where everyone can come and pray to God together. These are called places of worship. Temple. So there are different types of places of worship. Temple. The Hindus go to the temple to worship. The priest is known as the pujari or pandit. Temples have the idols of various gods and goddesses. Sweets and flowers are offered to the idols of gods in the temple. Hindus have many holy books such as the Vedas, Upanishads, and Bhagavad Gita. Mosque. A mosque is a special place where Muslims go to pray. They offer prayers called namaz 5 times a day. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Next, church. The Christians go to the church to pray. They sing holy songs that are known as hymns. The priest in the church read from the holy book, the Bible. Gurudwara. The Sikh pray in the Gurudwara. They sing holy songs or verses called Gurbani. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikh. India is a huge country. Although there are many religions practiced in India, there is a belief in only one God. He is called by different names. All the religions teach us to be friendly, kind, and lovable to each other. All the religions teach everything, same thing. God is one, help each other, be kindly and friendly to others. That only every religion which will teach. You take either Hindu, you take either Muslim, or you take Christian, whoever it may be, they teach the same thing. Okay, children. Now coming to the topic, that is places of worship. And these are the keywords. You can see the keywords. I'll send you the keywords. Please, you have to write these keywords in your book. Write them 3 times and learn them. So the keywords are worship, temple, priest, Bhagavad Gita, mosque, Muslims, namaz, Quran, Christians, Bible, Sikh, Gurbani. Once again, worship, temple, priest, Bhagavad Gita, mosque, Muslims, namaz, Quran, Christians, Bible, Sikh, Gurbani. So these are the keywords. So now worship means to pray. Worship means to pray to God. You go to temple, mosque, or wherever you go, you pray to God. You believe in God. That is called worship. Temple. Temple is a place of Hindus. Okay, Hindus go to temple for praying. Priest is a person who do all the pujas in the temple. You call him as pujari. Okay, pujari. Next, Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. So all the holy things are written in Bhagavad Gita. We give a lot of respect to our holy books. Next, mosque. Mosque is a place where Muslims go for praying. Okay. Next, Muslims. Again, this is one type of religion. Muslims go to go to mosque and they do namaz and they do 5 times a day. And Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Next, Christians. So Christians is again one type of religion. Christians holy book is Bible. Yes, and they go to church for praying. Sikh is also again one type of a religion, and Gurbani is the songs. They whatever they are singing, that holy songs are called Gurbani. So these are all called as places of worship. We go to different places to pray to God, to thank Him, to fulfill our wishes, to fulfill our desires. whatever the wishes we have, whatever the desires we have, we go them. You will pray to the God. God, this time now I wrote GA very nicely. This time I wrote theme and very nicely. I should get 40 out of 40. You will pray like that? No. So like that. Not only this, so many things you have. This time I want this for my birthday. So I request my parents to give my birthday gift like that. So you are small children, so you will have small desires. Your parents will have different desires. They go to God and they pray. Our children should be very safe and they should be very secure. They have to become good people in their life. Give everything for them. Like your parents thank for God. Okay. So we go to different places of worship, like temple, mosque, church. Okay, a temple is a place where Hindus go and pray. Okay, Hindus go and pray in a temple. And this, you can see the temple here. I have shown you the temple of Tirupati. Okay, this is the temple of Tirupati, and here priest is known as pujari or pandit. Temples have the idols of various gods and goddesses. Okay, different types of idols you take. As Hindus believe in Hinduism, Hindus people know they keep these idols. Either it may be an idol of Lord Balaji, Lord Sri Rama, Hanuma, okay, Shiva, whatever it may be, all the various gods' names, these are all. So they put the idols and they pray to these idols. Now I have shown you here Balaji of Tirupati, and like this is Sri Rama. Sri Rama idol I have shown you. And while doing pujas, what we'll do? We offer sweets and flowers to the gods, and we decorate the complete idols or that photos of the gods with different flowers, sometimes fruits, vegetables also. They will decorate that complete idol, and they offer sweets also. And Hindus holy book is like Bhagavad Gita, Mahabharata, Vedas, Upanishads. Okay, these are all the holy books of Hindus. Vedas, you call them as Vedas. Four Vedas are there. Okay, in Hindu um, this religion, four Vedas are there. Upanishads are there. Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. Ramayana, Mahabharata is also holy book of Hindus. Next coming, mosque. So mosque is a special place where Muslims go to pray. Okay, Muslims go to pray. This is the famous mosque in this what Dubai. Dubai. This mosque I have taken. This is a famous mosque in Dubai. Okay. So they go to mosque to pray. They offer namaz. And this offering prayers is called as namaz. And Muslims offers 5 times a day. Daily they will do 5 times namaz. Okay. Next. And Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. The holy book of the Muslims is Quran. Next, coming to church, Christians. Okay, the Christians go to the church to pray, and in church, they sing different types of songs with beautiful tones and music and everything, and they are called as hymns. You call them as hymns. They go to church and they pray to God, they sing songs. And here, whatever the church I have given you in the picture, it is a biggest church in the India. It is located in Medak. You call it as Medak Church. And this Medak Church is in Telangana only. I have given that picture. Okay. So this is a biggest church. Next coming, the holy book of Christians is the Bible. So they believe Bible as the holy book, and they read all the different points from the Bible and they pray to God. Next coming to Gurudwar, Sikh people. Okay, Sikh people pray in the Gurudwar. They sing holy songs or verses called Gurbani. Yes, he is the Guru Nanak. Okay, he is Guru Nanak. He is the people of Sikh believe in him. And this is the golden temple in Amritsar. Okay, this is the golden temple in Amritsar. And Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh people. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh people. Now, India is a huge country, although there are many religions practiced in India. Okay, there are many religions practiced in India, but all the religions say only one thing. What is that? Humanity, one God. We are all belong to one nation. Even though we are different religion and caste, we believe in oneness. Means everyone are equal. We are one. And we have to be very friendly to our neighbors. Okay, complete country, we have to be friendly neighbors and lovable to each other. This this one, no, every religion will tell the same thing. You should be lovable, you should be friendly with your neighbors, you should be friendly in the society, and you have to be believe in oneness.